Meaning of Holstein.
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 Holstein. Holstein refers to a breed of dairy cattle that originated in the region of Holstein in northern Germany. These cows are known for their large size, high milk production, and distinctive black and white markings. The name Holstein comes from the region where the breed was developed, and it has come to be recognized as a symbol of quality milk production worldwide. Today, Holstein cows are common in many countries around the world and continue to be prized for their milk production capabilities and unique physical characteristics.